In this lesson, we'll learn how to create a 2D fillet. Let's insert a sketch on the top plane. We will create some kind of shape now. Let's select the line tool. Okay, let's select the Sketch Fillet tool. In the fillet parameter area, we're going to enter a value of 5. Okay, let's click this corner. SolidWorks automatically created a 5mm radius fillet. I can also click these connected lines to create second fillets. You see here, this fillet doesn't show the dimensions because it's equal to this fillet. Now, if I change the radius here and insert another fillet here, now we have a 10mm radius fillet. Once again, the second fillet won't show the dimensions, but it is equal to the first. Click OK. And that concludes our review of the two-dimensional fillet.